Leaving Las Vegas. We're leaving Kenora, beautiful little town, nestled in the northern woods of Ontario, on our way to Ottawa. Know what Northern Ontario's famous for?
What?
Granite, the Canadian Shield. Is it? There's so many quarries up here. Oh, all the headstones you see come from Ontario.
Okay.
Now the granite out here is unreal, the Canadian Shield. That stuff is hard as the back of God's head. Ask me how I know. We were out here 20 years ago drilling and blasting for the railroad. Unbelievable rock. And beautiful green and brown and orange and red and gray. Listen to this baby purr. She's purring. Look at this stuff up close. Look how pretty it is.
See the sparkle in there?
Yeah, it's those flakes of mica, or actually, yeah, I think so. Beautiful granite. But then, like I said, this is where all the headstones come from. There's green, there's red, there's pink, there's black. It's all Canadian Shield, and it's all, like, look at the edges. Look how sharp the edges are. Like, this is the world's best riprap, because it's hard, it's super strong, and it locks, because it's got the angles. The only thing I don't like about this stuff is when you're drilling it, it is painful.
Is it? Why?
It's hard. Like, it is very hard.
Why?
But beautiful.
You're not afraid of hard work, are you?
No, not that well. My kid's not. I'm done. We are in Uppsala. How do you pronounce it? Uppsala?
Yeah, Uppsala.
Uppsala, Northern Ontario, heading to Newfoundland.
Do you have a sign that says what the law he's breaking? No shirt, no shoes, no service?
Here, I'll hide my nipples with my hair.
Oh my God, Michael.
Not bad, are you?
Good. You wouldn't happen to have a wiper switch for this, would you? You couldn't go by without saying hi. Holy f***, you're not losing any weight. Who's feeding this f***er?
Here.
Oh, look, I can...
Yeah, look.
No, we're on a diet.
Oh, yeah.
All right, we're on liquid diet. They look up what it...
14 ounces of prime.
Where were you guys?
Kenora.
No, Winnipeg for dinner.
Winnipeg. Not try one. Here, hang on. Matt, you're going to be weak for both of us. I'm going to remain strong.
Right.
Just one bite, Matt. Just one bite.
That looks really good.
Oh, it looks incroyable.
I want to see what am I getting into.
No, it's just like a donut with
Cinnamon.
only under.
Ah, ça goûte très bien, n'est-ce pas?
You're coursing through my blood already.
You've been eating too many of those f***ing things. You're going to make Avery look small here. Nope. Zero, no. Strong. BC strong. Quebec weak. No, the wiper went?
Well, I don't see any power.
Hang on, let's see.
No power to the wiper.
No, it's not working either now.
Okay, so it's power to the fuse panel. I don't think it's fuses. I think it's somewhere outside of here. This one here? That brown one. Yeah, it's kind of jammed in between the two wires there. I think that's made so it wouldn't short. Where's the main, Mike, where's the main connection to the...
If I know, I don't with wires. I hire somebody to do it.
Oh boy, okay, well,
Right.
you should pay attention, that's all.
I just pay him. I don't have to pay attention. I pay Steve.
Is this all the people that made it from, like, did you have to fix it every time one guy signed it? Does that mean that it...
Well, we stopped at f***ing Legacy and 8 guys signed it.
Mike, give me a Persian.
Another Persian?
Have a Persian, Mike. You gotta have one.
Feed me.
If not, you're disrespecting Thunder Bay.
Got them by the dozen too, don't forget.
Mike, I'll make you a deal.
No.
You have one bite and I'll finish it.
No.
You have one bite and I'll finish it.
See how bad he feels?
No,
Just
because
pitiful.
it's so good. Just one bite and I'll finish it. Then you can watch me.
No. There's a whole lot of them to go around.
My God.
Next time I'll get you to put a horn in.
Thanks, guys. Thank you. What a bunch of great guys. Again. Did they sign it?
Yes.
Who did?
Well, the 2 guys did that worked on it.
Nice. 2 more.
I should actually got Pino to sign it since he paid for it.
Yes.
It's okay. You know, Matt, I wish I was as weak as you, and my mouth would be filled with the sweet, gooey goodness of a Thunder Bay Persian instead of the sour taste of moral fortitude, willpower.
What's up, Oh, it's so good.
Bad, Matt. Bad, Matt.
Michael.
Nope.
Mmm. Mmm.
No, I'm going to lose 20 pounds by the time.
You're all skin and bones and fat.
Fat between the ears. What?
Proper planning what?
Free foods, piss poor performance.
You already want a 10-pack. I got a 10-pack.
Okay, give me a 10-pack. There we go. Why with that one? Go big or go home. You guys still give out free popcorn? You ate that last 5-gallon pail.
They're right here.
That's okay, Matt. Have some. You were such a loser, you may as well have some popcorn.
I just tried a Persian for the first time. The donut. The donut.
I know he's on his third one, man. Hey guys, even though Avery's not here, we're here at Fat Boys. Fat Guys. Fat Guys. This is the poster child for fat guys. Okay, I'm being a dick.
Yeah, that works.
It's okay, you're a big target.
It's okay. He's the poster child for birth control.
Yeah,
so.
that's what Avery calls me.
Do you want me to take
Betsy?
a picture of
Presley.
you with Mike? Presley?
Presley, like Elvis Presley. Here, I'm a little slime. Come on, get over here. Okay, crush your arm.
Hi.
Hi, how are you?
Okay.
Ready?
Do you watch the YouTube?
Sometimes.
Good. Well, when mom's not there, you just put it on the TV and let it run all day, okay? And keep pushing like, subscribe, comment, and share. Say Mike's the best. Matt sucks. Mike's the best. Presley, who do you like better, me or Avery? Okay. Send that to Avery.
Mike's her favorite.
Okay. You guys have a great day. Nice
You
meeting
too,
you.
thank you.
Doing? Mike, what are you doing?
I'm protecting parts of me that haven't seen sun in a while.
So you're finally...
I'm finally admitting I'm as much of a as Matt is.
People should protect themselves though, yes?
Yes. Especially when you're traveling with a Frenchman, God knows what diseases you could get. So your whole body should be protected, wrapped in double layer of plastic. Wow. There we have it, the Great Lakes. Beautiful. Oh, happy day. God, what a pretty drive. Weather's perfect. My company could be better, but you gotta make do with what you
You're
got.
the best company ever!
I am, I know. I was talking about you.
The abuse will continue. What's that?
Meetings will continue until morale improves.
Yes, morale is not improving.
Ice cream shop.
Is there? Soft? Excuse me, sir. No
Yeah.
shirt, no shoes, no service.
Go away.
Mike, do you need a shirt?
No.
Here, take one of me too.
Women prefer me half naked.
Michael. Good morning.
Good morning. 6:30.
what?
Time to rise and shine in Hearst, Ontario.
I want to go back to bed.
Suck it up, princess.
What is our goal for
No
today?
rest for the wicked.
Oh, and you are wicked.
Wicked, evil, mean, and nasty.
That was it? Michael, what happened?
I think my water got a little excited. It's okay, a cool, refreshing drink.
I swear I didn't shake it. I didn't. You're a mess. Well, at least your jeans are getting clean.
Just saw a couple cool cars back there. They look like two of my cars. I think there was one of these and a 68 Chevelle.
Stop it. I didn't see it.
No? Anyway. No, it's not a Chevelle. What is it? Oh, it's a Ford. Oh, they are for sale. 68
Pull in.
Chevelle.
Pull in. Should be fun. I'll take a look. What's that?
I don't see many common convertibles.
It was a column shift?
That was column shift.
Does yours have that same grill?
Yes.
With the Chevy with the red?
Yeah, well, mine has SS396.
Oh, right, yeah, of course.
Right? Cool. Love train bridges. Stroh's signature. What do we got here?
40, yeah, 44s?
36.
Yeah, 44s for you?
36. I'm going to beat you with them. Those will work. I'm going to always shorten them. Okay. What do you want? Plus grand?
I need 28s.
In your dreams, what do you want?
34.
34.
You don't matching
They don't
shorts?
have any.
What do they got?
Oh, and brown ones.
No, give me blue. I'll take 36.
36. Why, you going to eat tonight?
Before?
Yeah.
After shot.
After shot. There we go. Look at those white legs. Oh
Fit
my God.
fit check. Mike's got socks by Hanes and jeans by Levi's.
Yeah, Levi's. Yeah, we're all set. Now we're going to find a lake and go for a swim. Dreams never die, just a dreamer.
Over it.
Come on.
Here, let it go.
Why is it-
Gentle. Yeah. This is not a beach. Michael, I'm not going in here. It's not going in. It's pas une plage.
Okay.
Look at you.
Not. No. Look at that f***ing ass. You're putting Avery to shame. Come on, just go for it. There's another one. Go forward. Move it. Yes, you can dive. Go ahead, Matt. Just don't go deep. Go, Matt.
Oh, it's so good. It's so good. Oh, yeah.
Get out past the weeds.
Oh, it's cold white water here. I don't like this kind of gross bottom.
Well, keep swimming. Get past the weeds.
I'm like a nice Adirondack lake guy.
Okay, well, hurry up.